Deep in a thawing Arctic valley, a lone engineer salvaged a solar microplant from a sunken research hut. Each rivet told a story of trials, late-night calculations, and a prototype that could bend light to heat. When a rival nation attempted to ghostwrite history, the engineer sealed the workshop with an encrypted map. A wandering drone rediscovered the blueprint, revealing a system that powered remote outposts with minimal fuel. As the ice returned, the village learned the true power of quiet resilience over flashy breakthroughs.